If you're considering buying soy milk, in this video I'm going to compare two of the top organic unsweetened soy milks available on Amazon. Hi everyone, I'm Veronica, a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing all kinds of cooking tips and tricks on my channel. We drink a lot of soy milk in my household, and we purchase a lot of soy milk, but we also make soy milk with our Novalife soy milk machine and the Be Still Farms organic soybeans. But in this video, I want to compare these two brands. This is the Westlife soy milk, and this is the Eden soy milk. Both of these are organic and sold on Amazon. They're both unsweetened and unflavored. They both have the same ingredient statement for the most part. This one here, the West Soy, has organic soy milk is made from water and organic soybeans. And the Eden soy is made from purified water and organic soybeans. So I think it's interesting that this brand here specifies that they use purified water. This one doesn't. I'm going to assume this is purified water. I would hope that they're using purified water to make their soy milk, but it is notable that it's not listed. Now, at the end, I'm going to share with you the main reason why I would purchase each one of these, but let's also look at the back. The back of these are a little bit different because this one here is going into very much detail about the company, their long-term history of using specific farmers that grow their soybeans, kind of like how they make it. They're the first or America's first non-GMO verified soy milk, and more information there. On the back here, it has a brief list about the product itself, the specifications. It's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, and then it talks about soy in general and the benefits of soy. And in terms of price, this one seems to be less expensive than this one. But to be honest, the main thing that I focus on when purchasing soy milk is the protein content, because we drink this for the protein as well as the other vitamins and minerals that are available in soy milk, but the protein is different on these two products. Even though they're the same size carton and they have the same amount inside, this one here, the West Soy, has 9 grams of protein, but this one, the Eden Soy, has 12 grams of protein per serving. So per carton, you're actually getting a lot more protein if you purchase this one. Basically, if price is a concern and protein isn't your main focus, the West Soy is probably the great choice. But if protein is a big focus for you and price isn't a concern, then the Eden Soy is the best one. But if you're new to my channel, you probably haven't seen all of my other videos of how I actually make my own soy milk at home using things that I buy on Amazon. This is my Novalife soy milk maker. You see right here, it has a function to make soy milk. And then these are my organic soybeans that I purchased from Be Still Farms. And actually, I make really cheap homemade soy milk using the dried soybeans, and I don't have to soak them, so I just can use them dry. I run them through the cycle here on soy milk. I do that 2 times, so it takes me about an hour for this machine to process the soy milk. I yield about 3 to 4 cups of soy milk, which is the same equivalent as these containers. I strain it with a straining device that I've shared in other videos, and I'm able to make about 1 carton of soy milk for about a fraction of the price of the cost of these. Now, we do still purchase soy milk because this is great, especially for emergency or when I just don't have time to make soy milk. So it's great to have these on hand as well as the ability to make my own soy milk. Well, I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel on YouTube, as well as my Amazon storefront where I share all kinds of cooking tips and tricks. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.